it. And that's not an issue because they are sea lions and not a seal. Now, let me explain to you the difference between the two species, okay? So first, you've got to take a look at their ears. So all sea lions have external ears or ear flaps located on both sides of their head, just like us. Seals, on the other hand, they don't have ear flaps. They only have a hole that you need to get closer to them to actually see or feel their ear. Second difference, sea lions have these big and powerful front flippers. And they are using these flippers to swim through the water, just like birds uses their wings to fly through the air. And seals only half of this size and it's not that powerful. And the last and final difference is their hind flippers or back flippers. So, sea lion friends, let's go down here on the deck and show our guests how sea lion move the back flipper. So, as you see, they can rotate the back flippers, making them moving on land very easy, just like this. So take note, only sea lions can walk on land like this. Seals, they cannot. But seals are great in the water. But here in Emirates Park Zoo, we don't have seals. But these sea lions here can actually show you an imitation or a copy of a seal. Now tell me, would you like to see it? Yeah? Okay. Sea lion friends, you heard them. Let's show them a seal. See, effortless, right? It's already funny. But it's even more funnier if you see them how they crawl. Now, see what I mean? A little bit funny on land. And I think our sea lions here did a great imitation, right? Does everybody agree? So that means they deserve a nice round of applause. So please put your hands together for Claudio, Arto, and Victoria. Great job there. So now, it's about time for Arto to take a short break. But don't you worry, because he will be right back later part of the presentation. So in the meantime, let me hand over the stage to Trainer Jeanette. So Trainer Jeanette, whenever you're ready, the stage is yours.
All right, well, thank you very much.